Hi, and welcome back to my channel. So, in today's lesson, we are going to build the second version of the BMI calculator, where we are going to take more than one condition. We are going to give a message for the user about the body mass index of his weight, if it was underweight, normal, or overweight. So, the most important thing is we should do this instruction. So if it is under 18.5, we will display a message for the user that his body index is underweight. And if it is under 25, we are going to tell the user that his weight is normal. And the most important thing here, we should round the result to the nearest whole number. So let's start. So the formula for the body index mass is the weight divided by the height to the power 2. So let's start. First of all, we are going to take the height of the user. We will write a variable, we name it height, and we are going to take an input from the user to ask him to give us his height. Enter your height. Then let's put space here. We are going to take the weight. Enter your weight. So now we are going to change the value from string to float by doing float before the user input. Also the same for the weight. After that, we are going to put the formula of the BMI. So BMI is going to equal the weight divide height to the power 2. Then we are going to take it to the roundest nearest whole number, okay? By only doing round here. After that, we are going to start the instruction by using the if and elif statement. Okay, so if the first condition, the BMI was less than 18.5, so we are going to print to the user, print your BMI is BMI. We are going to use the if string, so we can put any type of values. Your BMI is, then we are going to put the BMI. You are underweight. The other condition, we will use the elif. So elif, the BMI under 25, print, use the if string, your BMI is BMI you have a normal weight. And we are going to do the same steps For the other condition, we are going to use the elif, BMI less than 30, and we are going to print the message to the user by using if string, of course. Your BMI is then you are overweight. The other condition is if the BMI was less than 35, we are going to print the message by using the if string. Your BMI is. After that, we are going to put the same message. You are when we come to the last condition, we are going to close the if statement by using else. Else, if none of these conditions happened, we are going to print the last message to the user, of course, by using the if string, and we are going to write to the user your BMI is BMI, and we will print the message that was already in the instruction. So let's test this. First of all, let's run this. Okay. Let's put the height. Then let's put the weight. And we have a normal weight. Also, if you want another result, you can check from here. Just remove this part. And you can put like 17, the BMI. And if you run this again, let's skip this. Anything. Your BMI is 17, you are underweight. Also, if you want like to put 35, and if we run this again, let's put here anything. So your BMI is 35, you are clinically okay. So this part finished. Thank you.